Hello everyone, this is Jaideep. Till date, we studied about software engineering, types of software engineering, traditional methods used in software engineering. Now I am going to discuss about Agile process development or Agile project development. This is the modern development method used in the latest software industry for developing the projects and softwares. This is an iterative process. For explaining this betterly, we can compare the traditional method and Agile software development. For example, in traditional method, we will take an example waterfall model. In waterfall model, there are processes or steps like requirement gathering, analysis, design, coding, testing, deployment to the customer. In waterfall model, first of all, a business analyst will gather requirements or collect the requirements from the client or the user, and then these are delivered to the project manager. And next, design, coding, testing, respective phases will take place respectively. If we compare this waterfall model with agile development process, first of all, there will be no business analyst. Directly project manager will be interacting with the customer, and there will be no phases like design, coding, testing, everything. Instead, the project will be divided into modules like modules like login module, testing module, something modules will be divided, and in each module there will be design, coding, testing and everything. Here in waterfall model, the whole project is divided into these phases. Here each module is divided into phases. First of all, one module is taken and a single person is assigned. Single person is assigned to complete all the tasks. But in case of waterfall model, there are people like teams for requirement gathering team, designing team, coding team, testing team, deployment team, delivery team. For here, teams will be available. Here no teams will be available, only single person will be taking care of all the processes. And coming to the time taken by the project model, time taken by the project, in waterfall model, they will be giving time like for requirement phase this much time is required, for design phase this much time is required, like that. They will go on and they will add the total time and they will prescribe to the customer or user or client. But in case of agile development model, they won't be taking the scenario taken in the waterfall model, but they will say that the time required for the development of this module 1, module 2, module 3, and the development of these modules will take place parallelly. For example, module 1, module 2, module 3 are started by week 1, and they are required for 10 days or 1 week. They are completed by 1 week in module 3. Module 1, module 2, module 3. And these 3 modules are integrated by the agile specialists. And the integration of these 3 modules will result to the software project or required project. And this project is delivered to the customer finally. Here, the main purpose of agile development is requirements changes are enabled. For this point, if we compare the waterfall model, first of all, requirement phase is completed, design phase is completed, and again the customer is approaching the business analyst and saying that I want additional requirement or change in requirement of the prescribed requirements. Then again from the start he need to work. The development team need to work. Again he need to do requirement analysis, gathering, testing, coding, everything need to be done. But in coming to the agile method, module 1 is developed. This module 1 is immediately deployed to the customer. Whether the customer is satisfied or not is verified. If the customer is satisfied, we will keep that module aside. If the customer is having some more requirements or change in requirements or additional of requirements, he will add that simple requirement to that module respectively, and again the development is done, and again the deployment of that module immediate completion is done. Therefore, here change in requirements is possible heavily.